A denturist is actually a super unique profession. We are licensed as the clinician as well as licensed as the technician. We get to oversee everything in the mouth and then know what we need to do in the lab and design accordingly as the technical part. Our office specializes in removable partial dentures, in complete/full dentures, implant-supported dentures, and immediate dentures. The process before, it was very time-consuming, and I just feel like we didn't have the efficiency that we needed as we were growing, and that's where digital dentistry came into play.
It's very important to have the best technology for this industry, providing the best care for our patients.
We have 2 intraoral scanners. That allows us to take a digital impression from the patient's mouth. So for us, we can utilize the intraoral scanners and the design software and the printers all together quite quickly and get results for the patients that are very accurate. I found out about Asiga in the Chicago LMT show. So I ended up talking to some of the staff at Team Asiga and they gave me some guidance, and next thing you know, we ended up getting our Max UV. We've had it for 5 years now and I'm still in awe of the reliability of this little machine. It's such a little workhorse.
So we do have the Pro 4K, the Max UV, and now recently we have the Ultra, and they've been working great.
What we need as a clinician and a technician is that this is going to work. We can consistently rely on these 3 printers and they're part of the team for sure. The Denture resin has been really good in terms of the strength and accuracy.
I have had other print materials or tray materials in the mouth that I've actually cracked under the patient's bite pressure. So this is tough, it works, and it's reliable. The Asiga Ultra is very easy to use. Not having to touch it with the dirty gloves is a huge bonus. The magnetic plate just snaps in.
We've had very high success rates with the print jobs on it. Last night I set up all 3 of these printers for cases, came in this morning, and everything's ready to go. We have those patients that we do need to create something quite quickly, or even something very transitional for them.
Our patients, majority of them don't have teeth. So some of them are in pain from older, ill-fitting dentures. We can get the patients into the chairs quicker and we can get them their dentures quicker. So this is a great thing for them.
We get to recreate smiles. That's something that I'm really passionate about. And to see the before and afters on things that we're able to produce for patients, there's nothing better.
A lot of them cry in the chair because they're just so happy and so appreciative of the work that you do. A smile changes lives.